Hey there guys, this is George here. I'm going to do a review of the unschooler app that we got from AppSumo. It's not available on AppSumo anymore. You have to go directly to unschooler for you guys to get it now, but I'm going to show you guys how to get it. And I'm going to show you guys how to save a couple of dollars on the actual product itself. If you put my code, if you click on the link that's in my bio right there on the bottom, you're going to get an additional discount, and you'll be able to jump right in. Now, when I first ran into this software, I actually, just like everybody else, I was a little hesitant, and I was a little nervous about making the purchase, because it did cost a lot of money. It was about $1,200 or so on the app. So I was a little nervous, to say the least. But for what this software does, and exactly what it provides, the services it provides, it's actually very, very worth it. If you are basically an instructor, you make your money online, and you make videos, and you make courses, and you want to sell them online, this is the actual course to go. This is one of the best AI teaching, AI learning LMS software, and LMS stands for Learning Mechanism System. It will create your course for you on autopilot. It is autopilot. So I'm going to be honest with my review when I'm talking to you guys about this. There are things that I like, there are things that I love, and there are things that they can most definitely improve on. But there are a lot of things that they are not advertising that you can actually do with this software that I love very, very much. First and foremost, what the software is, it's basically it's an automatic course creation software. So if you want to create an online course of any kind, including the videos, including the material, and be able to charge people for it, and do it on autopilot, this is it. Again, I was very nervous at first, but this software made my job so much easier that if you didn't have something like this, you would end up spending hours, if not days, if not weeks, on creating this the material for your course yourself. Or if you wanted to pay someone on Fiverr or on SEO Clerks or anywhere else to create this software for you, you will end up spending hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per course. This thing literally does all the work for you. You can create the course and walk away, or you can actually get in there. If you, like me, you want to provide a little more bang for people's buck, you can get in there and you can edit the course, and you can let's just get into it. Let me just tell you guys how this thing does. First and foremost, one of the things that the course does not advertise in their sales page is that you can create several different schools. As you guys can see, I've done 2 already, and I've created several different courses within these. Now, for specialty courses, like for example in the cannabis industry, it's really not all that great, to be honest with you, because there are a lot of things in the cannabis industry and the cannabis business that are not really advertised online. So the AI bots, the chat GPT bots, when they want to crawl somewhere and find on the internet some information about cannabis, there are a lot of things that are not discussed, and you're not going to find it online unless you are in the actual industry. So but again, for cannabis specifically, for me, since I've been in the industry myself for so long, for 20 plus years, and I know a lot of details, and I have a lot of information already on the business, I've had it made my job half as easy. I'm gonna tell you like this one, half easy. Not as easy as some of the other things I created with this software, but half easy. And when I mean half easy, guys, I'm talking about it created an outline, but then I went in there and I had to edit a lot of the stuff, which is okay, because as long as you tell the AI software what is it that you want it to do, it'll do it for you. Let's just dive in and let me tell you guys how this thing works, okay? So when you first get into unschoolers.me, which is their platform, but again, don't go there directly. I'm telling you right now, I'm going to put a link on that description of this video, where you guys are going to be able to click on that link and be able to get a special discount off their top prices, what you're going to end up paying if you go directly to their website. So let's just dive right in. I'm going to tell you guys how this thing works. And there will be a Q&A at the end. If you guys want to, you're very well free to email me or comment below, and I will most gladly help you guys address any of those concerns, okay? So the first thing I did was, when I wanted to create a course, since I have several different types of services that I provide for people, I didn't want to mix in cannabis things along with some other things. Okay, so as you can see, I created a 420 online cannabis college, which is 420college.org, and you guys can visit that website and see it. And also I have a Bloom Online Vocational Institute, which is a different one. You can actually get in there and create your own different school, which is what I'm going to do right now. If you want to cut the cost, let's just say that you don't want to buy your own domain, you don't have to. Okay, you don't have to do that. This software right here, you can create your own domain. So for this case, I'm going to create, in this particular model, I'm going to create a course for people that want to create courses online and sell them with AI. So I'm going to call my school name AI courses.unschooler.me. And the name of my school I'm just going to highlight this right here. I'm just going to call it AI Courses. Okay, let's just put this in capital to make it pretty. And that's it. Description, I'm just going to write a short description real quick if you guys don't mind. Courses. Okay. Make sure you do your spell checks, and you can upload your own logos, upload your own cover sheets or favicon and all these things right here, but I'm not going to do that for now. I'm going to save the school settings. Now if you guys want to go ahead and connect your own domain to this, you can definitely, absolutely 100% do that on your own. So since I already have a login with this, I'm just going to go ahead and log in with my current existing email account. As you can see, I have a whole new school created. It's called AI Courses. And here is where you're going to type in what the course goal is going to be and what type of a course you want this software to generate for you. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this is I'm actually going to cheat. I'm going to go to ChatGPT. I'm going to start a new chat, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a course outline for me. So here's what I'm going to ask ChatGPT. Now, if you can be as detailed with ChatGPT, the better off you are. It'll help you in the long run. So here we go. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to tell me. There you go. Look at all these different things it's giving me, modules and applications, and it's being as detailed as it can, and actually don't need to be this detailed, but if it is going to do that, then that's fine too. I'm just going to copy this entire thing. I'm going to copy this entire thing. I'm going to go in here into my AI schooler, unschooler page. I'm going to input that information, paste into this entire thing. And it wants to add knowledge source of where you get that from. You can add videos if you want it to be some, you know, if you already have some videos on this subject and you want the course, the AI in the course to crawl that and kind of, you know, get the source from there. But, or your YouTube channel, if you already have courses created, you can input those here. Very simple to do, but I don't need that because I already have all this. And as you can see, very detailed and it's ready to go. So what I'm going to do is I watch this right now, how easy this thing works, okay? You click this button right here and you wait for about several seconds. I'm going to take a drink of my soda. Oh wow, it's already ready. Look, check this out. I'm going to put this thing right here so this way clear. So this AI in this course, as you can see, created my entire course for me with the modules, lessons within the modules, and you can actually add a step if you want to add a step in every single module. So it created my modules, it created my lessons within the modules, and gave me all the details that I need to create this course. Now, just think about how long is it going to take you to do this on your own if you want to do this on your own. Just think about that for a second. Forever. It's going to cost you how much? About a couple $100? Right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create my course. Click the button. And watch this little thing ding-a-ling. And it's going to create my course for me. Now, you can do this for yourself. You can do this for others. You can actually get this and post a gig on Fiverr. You can charge people for creating this. Nobody knows. You do. Oh, wow. Here it is. So check this out. AI course creation is the name of my course. Here's the curriculum. Detailed curriculum. And it has lessons within each one, as you can see. Now, my course is pretty much ready to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this course. You can publish it right now and sell it as is. But let's just dive right into it and see exactly what else we can do with this software. Edit the course. Now, as you can see, I'm in the edit section. You get into all the details and all the lessons of this course. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the first section. Got my intro. Now you can edit this. If you don't like the name, you can change it if you want. You can put a specific you know, a lesson prompt and add a knowledge source of, you know, PDF document or URL of an article of where do you want the AI within this software to get all the information that is going to need to create this course, or you can just put it in yourself, simply put. So here's the content. You can upload your own video if you want. You can add the description here. You can do whatever you want with this at this point. But as you can see, I'm going to hit save and I'm going to go to next. Let me see what's next. Okay. There it is. Course is ready to go. Actually, so right now, within the first module, it's creating its own video. Okay. So it's using the data that he has gathered searching online. As you can see, the AI is generating the description and learning steps, and my data is not being used to train the AI, which is great. You can select a different voice, and I'm going to show you how that goes once the video loads up. And you can see this bar at the bottom that's going. It's actually generating the video. And I will show you exactly how this video is at the end. So it created all that. Now we're going to generate the video again. It's splitting into scene and reloading the page. It takes more than 3 minutes, but it never takes 3 minutes. It's usually pretty quick. So let's just go ahead and wait for this thing to load up. Now, when you get in within the course, this is where the magic is going to happen. That's why I want to show you guys where the magic is. The magic happens when you actually can get into each course and you can upload your own videos or have it get videos from YouTube or Vimeo or other video creating platforms and post it within the course, as well as create tests, more details. Man, it just has a little too much for me. So I'm just going to show you guys how this thing is done. So now it's creating a narration, images. It's creating its own images. This video is going to be ridiculous at the time. You guys just wait and see exactly what this is like. Watch. Alright, so my video is ready. See how fast that was? How long did that take? About 35 seconds. So let's just watch this video that my AI created for my intro.
Machine learning ML is a significant subfield of AI that enables computers to improve automatically through experience. For example, an e-commerce website like Amazon uses ML algorithms to recommend items based on your past shopping behavior. Deep learning DL, a subset of machine learning, imitates the functioning of the human brain in processing data for decision-making. A typical example is language translation systems like Google Translate. Computer vision CV aims to enable computers to understand and interpret the visual world. Facebook uses CV to recognize and tag individuals in photographs. Natural language processing (NLP) is the branch of AI that allows interaction between computers and humans via natural language. An example of NLP is Alexa or Siri understanding and carrying out voice command instructions. There are plenty of platforms available for creating AI courses. Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare are some of the key players in this space. On Udemy, an AI tutor can create a course, upload video lectures, and set quiz questions for learners. To increase the visibility of your course, understanding digital marketing fundamentals such as SEO-friendly topics, social media marketing, and email marketing is crucial.
Okay, so you get the gist of it. You create my video. Now, if I don't like this video, I can get in here and I can edit it. And look at the bottom. It has details of what he was talking about, plus some more details on the bottom. And if you want some more details about the details, here's what you could do. What you do is you highlight this information. Let's see. Did you know that AI can see and interpret visual information? If you want more details on this, other than what you already gave, so you highlight the entire thing. You come here, you click video, and it's going to generate a video for you from YouTube talking about this specific subject. Okay? You can see videos right there, and you post it, and it's great. If you wanted to do something else, and what's next, definitely do that too. Okay, there you go. Online learning platforms. And, it's talking about all different types of online learning platforms: Coursera, Udemy, Skillshare, and all these other ones. Now, if you wanted to do a little bit more explanation to it, or give it to you step by step of how you got to get to any of these things, let's just click the steps and see what happens. So now it's creating steps. There you go. A step-by-step guide. So you research and identify the best online platform and tech tools and specific needs and goals. Create an account. Select the platforms, explore the features, enroll the courses. So it gives you a little more step-by-step guide of exactly what you needed to do for you. So I'm kind of satisfied with this. I'm happy myself. You can add notes if you want to add notes for yourself or not. If you don't like the video, you can change video, and it will change the video for you. If you want to edit the information within the video, you can definitely do that too. And all you got to do is you come and hit edit button, and it took you inside it. Now you can hit edit here as well, and see now it's loading. Now you can actually change the details that it has in the video, as well as the voiceover, as well as all the details that they're talking about in the video. You can upload your own images here within the video, and so on and so forth. So this thing gives you full power, full control of your course creation and video creation. I'm not going to do that right now because for the sake of this review, I don't need to do that. I'm kind of satisfied with this for now, and I'm going to save it and go to the next subject. Now what it's going to do is, this is the introduction as we talked about. We saved it, and I'm going to continue on, and I'm going to go into the lesson within the module. And I'm going to it's going to take, for you to do this entire course, to edit, it might take you several hours. If you're a really detailed type of a person like me, I have a very bad habit of wanting more details and more, so I'm definitely not going to get into this with you guys right now, but I'm just going to get into several of them just to let you know all the different types of things you can do with this course, and exactly how you can make this thing work for you, and you guys can do that on your own. Now here is the next lesson. Okay, lessons, there's 3 lessons in here as you can see, but I can add more if I want to add more. So overview of the AI and its importance, and it gives you a little bit of information about this, and did you know that AI can recognize patterns in data in humans and all this stuff. This is why AI is having a massive impact in virtually every industry, making this technology essential to understanding today's world. So if I'm satisfied with this, I'm fine. I'm scrolling down to the bottom, and I get to the bottom here just a second, but if I'm satisfied with this, that's it. I'm going to move on to the next screen. But let's say you're not satisfied with this and you want just a little bit more information on the subject. So what you do is you highlight the form, Basics of AI. So right now it gave you a little bit of basics here, but let's say you want to do more. So you highlight the whole section. You can even highlight this entire paragraph if you wanted to create some kind of facts, codes, examples, and all these other things. But I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do right now is it says AI can be claimed to 2 types. Which forms? Okay, so let's say I'm not satisfied with this, and I want a little more explanation. So I'm going to highlight narrow AI, and I hit explain, and let's see what it came up with. So it gave me a little bit of explanation of what that is. And if I want to highlight this one as well, I wanted to talk about that part. Actually, I'm going to highlight this entire section, and I'm going to hit explain again. Let's see what it does again. There you go. Explain it a little bit more. Now, real applications of AI. Let's say I want a little more on this one. So let's just talk about some facts. Hit the facts button. Let's see what it gives up. And look how fast this thing works. Now, this is AI, okay? This is artificial intelligence at its best right here. And is being used in industries such as healthcare, finance, and all these other different things. The importance of AI. And let's say you're okay with this. So this right here, it says to create a mind map illustrating the real-world application of AI. So this also is in the course. So these are instructions to the course goers if they want to put this particular lesson into real-world application as far as what exactly it can do, and it gave it a 10 out of 10. If you're satisfied with this solution, then you hit continue. But let's say you want to put a quiz or a video or pictures at the end, or you don't like this whole thing, you want to delete this whole step, you can delete it right here. But I'm going to hit the quiz. Let's see what it comes up. So a couple of steps are being created, as you can see. You can create text with examples. You can put a video, you can put a practice with AI feedback, quiz with a guide, or just a quiz. Okay, so I'm going to put a practice with AI feedback, and let's see what it comes up. Here it is. This is exactly what it was in the previous section, but let's say I want to add one more thing to this thing. Okay, I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to click on video. And what it's going to do is it's going to give me a video. Hopefully. See, it didn't do that. I'm going to the next section. And in the next section, I'm going to put a video. Let's see if it comes up with, boom, it created me a video. Okay, directly from YouTube.
Hello friends.
Like I said, you can actually include a video of your own if you want to do your video of your own, or you can have a video from YouTube, just like this one. So this one's complete. Okay, now you completed this step. Now you can move on to the next step, to the next lesson, which is history and evolution of AI. Okay, so let's go on to the next step, next lesson. We're going to wait for the video next step that is generating, because this entire thing has to go through the whole course in order for it to generate every single lesson in the course. So you have to go through each and every step yourself. And all you got to do, guys, is not create the course material on your own, but what you got to do is you just got to click the button, let the AI generate the course on its own. And that's how simple and easy that is. Okay, there's really not much of guesswork. There's not much of a lot of things that you got to know. Just got to know how to click continue. That's it. And here it is, the next step, history and evolution of AI. If you're satisfied with this, you'll find you click the next button and go. But if you're not, okay, let's say you want to edit and change some things in here. Okay, very simple to do that. You hit the edit button. You come here to edit, and you click on which you want to which lesson you want to edit. So this is the one that I want to edit. Boom, there it is. So I don't like that, so I'm going to delete that. History of AI. I'm just going to write in today's world. You can see I can edit any parts of this section. I can add things in here if I want to add things in here. Okay. Now, here is where it really gets detailed as well. If you don't like this whole section, let's say you want to change it, or let's say you want to add some stuff to it, this is where you do it, right? Hit lesson source. So if you're not okay with this, what happened? What happened? We're doing a review here. Okay, you hit lesson source. Content, lesson source. You can add a knowledge base, okay, knowledge source. So you click on knowledge. You can upload a PDF document if you want your source to be from a PDF, and basically it goes into your basically section of PDFs. Or if you want to upload a video, you can also upload a video as well by clicking the same button. Okay, so but I don't have a video to upload here. Or if you want to get your knowledge from a URL, you hit the URL button right here, and you open it up, and you type in the URL in here, and click next, and it will generate the article, the content within that lesson from that URL that you have posted in there. Okay, but I'm okay with this right here. This looks good to me, so I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to go to the next section. Now in the next section, you see how easy that was to edit? It's very simple. So it gives you a lot of details, and remember, this is a course for people to take, not you necessarily, but for you to sell to for people, and it is very informative, is what I gotta say about this. It actually gives you a to-do list to the students if they want to put the lesson that they just learned into practical actual work. They could do that too. At the end of the video course, here we go. I'm going to add a quiz right now, let you guys know how this is like. So I'm going to put a quiz with the guide. So now it's going to generate a quiz for me from that lesson that they just learned. and voila. You can actually add videos to the test. You can add different sections to the test. If you did go through the course lesson, then that means you must know the answers to these questions, which I did not. You can get this even more detailed if you want. You can highlight this and hit the video button to generate a video for you, generate some facts, generate and explain more in detail what they're talking about, steps, and bring a couple of real life examples. So I'm okay with this. I'm going to move on to the next step. So when you go into the next step here, is going to do the same thing repeatedly throughout the entire course here. Okay, the entire course, you have to go through this whole thing. It might take a minute for the AI to generate your content for you, but again, this hella beats anything that you have to do on your own. If you were to sit there and type through this thing, just think how many hours and how long is it going to take for you to actually sit there and just come up with the material for this, or even if you were just to go through ChatGPT, have ChatGPT create the content for you. First, you have to know what to ask ChatGPT. Then you have to copy, paste. I mean, it could take you, several days to do that. And even if you were to pay someone to create this course for you, it would. I'm just thinking of how much money you would spend on paying someone to create this course for you. But here it is, AI and unschooler.me. This wonder is what I call it, creating a special course for you on a click of a button. The click of a button. That's all I've done so far is click a button. Now at the end of this is the end of my course, and what I'm going to do, I want to create a video at the end of the course. Now if you've been through college and you've taken some online courses in college, you know that this is exactly how it goes. You might watch a couple of YouTube videos. You might do a couple of tests. You might do several things, but I mean, I was very dumbfounded, surprised myself when I went through college myself, and the instructor was having us watch YouTube videos. I was like, man, are you an instructor at a college, or are we sitting here watching YouTube videos? But YouTube is a very informative and very good platform for everybody to use. Now, if you didn't know what you were looking for, you would search, again, hours and days for the YouTube content yourself, and have to sit there and siphon through, I don't know, about 20, 30 different videos for you to come up with the video that you want to, that's interesting to you and you want to watch. And here is AI in this course doing that for you. So as you can see, my first module is completely done. It's completely done. And so now I'm moving on to module number 2. And I hit save and next, and now it's creating my next video with the click of a button. I mean, can you get any better than this, guys? I mean, I want you to tell me what other course creation software do you know that does this for you? Which one? I'm waiting. I have all day here. I'm gonna sit here. This video is gonna we're already going into about a half hour or more of this video, maybe 33 minutes of this. I can wait another 30 minutes for anyone in here to tell me where and what platform can they find that has AI software built in to course creation, and it generates the course along with the quizzes, along with the content, along with the knowledge base, along with the videos, all for you with the click of a button. There you go. I'm going to generate this video right now. Tell me. I'm just going to go ahead and comment below, guys. Go ahead. Comment below and tell me, George, you know what? You're full of it. I know this software right here, and this software does way better course creation with videos, with quizzes, with knowledge base, with all those things, and it beats this software right here that you're doing a review of. show me, because I'm going to go buy that software that you're talking about. But as far as me go, guys, I've been doing online marketing for the past since 2008. What does that mean? 26 years. All these gray hairs, let that be a proof to you guys. I've been doing online content marketing for 20 years. I have never run into anything as revolutionary as AI. I have never run into anything as revolutionary as course creation with AI. So here it is. My next module is created, ready to go. Again, you just have to sit there and you go through each module, each lesson within the module at a time, and it goes through it. And what's another thing that I really like about this software, guys, and again, like I said, there are several things that I don't like, and there's a lot of things that I like. Basically, my basket of things that I like are a lot heavier than the basket of things about this software that I don't like. What I do like and I love, the customer service I get through the unschooler admins. Okay, Lena is absolutely fantastic, and I'll show you guys how to get a hold of her right now as soon as I hit save. But and they get back to you within several minutes, depending on the time of day, of course, because remember they are in the other side of the world right now. So our daytime is their nighttime, so you have to take that into account. But regardless of that, they do get back to you within a reasonable amount of time. And if you are online with them at the same time, like a lot of times I am at night, on my 11 p.m. is their 11 a.m. We're able to chat online, and she's able to guide me. She's able to fix the issues for me right off the bat. Okay, so now let's say you're done with the course, and I'm not gonna, like I said, I'm not going to go through this entire thing because it's going to take several hours for me to sit there and just click the button like I did right now, and let it sit there and generate the next lesson. Let's say you're done with the lesson, you completely finished. You can either sell this directly from your website, which I did, or you can actually sell this right through their platform, and I'm going to show you how to do both. So let me just go ahead and open up another screen. Okay, I'm going to go into one of my websites, and I'm going to show you guys how to post this course into your website. So I'm going to add a page. Oh man, I hate it when it does that. I'm going to go ahead and add a page. Let's see what it did over here. Okay, see, it moved on to the next course, but it's done. Okay, now again, with this one, same thing. You can highlight this and create a video for it, create some facts, code, explain. If you want AI to explain this a little bit more for you, hit explain. If you wanted to create some steps, some examples, and all that, it would absolutely do that for you. So, all right, let's see, guys. Okay, now let's say I'm done with this, and if you don't like it, again, hit the edit button, and take it to edit, and you'll be able to edit any parts of this that you want to edit. Okay, but what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you guys how to post this on your page. So I'm going to create a course page, and I'm going to call this, what was the name of our course again? AI course creation. Okay, I'm going to call this AI course creation. Okay, I'm going to open up the HTML editor, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to my unschooler program. Okay, I'm going to hit the embed button, and as you can see, it gives you a code. Copy the entire code. You can actually put in a light theme if you want to do in a light theme, or in a black theme like this is. If you want to embed just a single lesson, you could do that too. but I'm gonna do the entire course. Okay, looks like this is just one lesson that it's doing, but I'm going to be able to edit that. And I'm going to show you how. You paste this in here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete this whole thing. And I'm going to hit publish. Get back here. Okay. Now my course is not done, but I am. So I'm going to go to my main page of my course. As you can see, it's here. And I'm going to show you guys how to make this. Right now it says free because we haven't really published the course. Okay. You really have to go through the whole thing if you want to publish it, but I'm just going to skip that whole thing for you guys right now. And I'm going to publish this course and show you guys how it's done. So it's generating the sales assets. Let it generate that for a sec. And let's see what happened with my website. Slowly is the way. Alright, let's see what it did. Okay, so you can see here's my page. And here's my course. Right on my website. It gives me the learning objectives, the overview, the details, the curriculum. Now she's is locked. That's because you can't just watch it. You have to be able to log in, and it was paid, but I'm going to show you guys how to make this paid right now. Alright, so that's how that is. Edit and sell the course. And oh, right there. There you go. Generate all content. Okay, so I'm just going to hit that button, let it generate the entire content, just because I want to show you guys how to get rid of this free button right here, because it ain't free. Ain't nothing free. We here to get paid. So let it generate the whole course. See it? Watch. Boom. Look at this. It's embedded on my website. I can sell this course directly through my website, and people can just join in right here. I mean, this is wonderful. I mean, you know what? I would have to pay someone. I mean, just think. Just take a second and pause, and just think. How much money do you have to pay to someone to create 10 courses? Oh wait, 10 courses. You're going to pay someone with this much detail. Let me back up. I'm back up right now. With this much detail. Not just create courses for you guys, but with this much detail. I mean, this thing popped out the sales page. It popped out videos. It popped out quizzes. It popped out everything that I needed in order for it to be able to viable course. And right now it's generating the entire course. And I mean, what else do you want an AI software to do? Look at this. It created the whole thing for me. Now I gotta go through the whole little thing just for you to get there. So I'm just gonna skip it. Look, I hit the move this down. You come all the way over here, you hit the publish button. And it's not a draft, so it's not a draft. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the price of this at, let's say, $15. $15.97. Now you can add promo codes if you want to add promo codes, or you don't. Don't do it. You have to connect a Stripe account if you want to be able to collect payments. And creating a Stripe account is very simple. If you guys don't have Stripe, go to stripe.com, sign up for their account, connect your bank account and whatnot, get your tax ID in there and all that stuff and all that good things, and get you a Stripe account. and this way you guys can start taking money. If you don't want to do Stripe account, you want to connect it to PayPal, you can do this manually yourself. And again, you can do this right through your website, because you can keep this course locked, okay, locked, where people won't be able to access it in any kind of a way, and you can just take payments right through your website and then send the course to them manually. But I don't want to do things manually. I want to do things automatically through AI. There you go, $15.97, baby. And if you want to join my course, you hit the join button. You're going to get in there. You're going to create your own account. You're going to make the payment and whatnot. See, there you go. See, put your credit card information in and pay. But I ain't going to do that because it's my course. This is for you guys to do that if you want to take this course. It's actually a very detailed course if y'all want to know the real. See, now, remember when we created this school for me? Remember there was 2 of them up here? Now I got 3. You can create as many schools as you want to. When you get the tier 3 level course creation software from Unschooler, it comes with 100 courses. 100 courses. Now just think about that. How much money you got to pay to someone for them to create 100 courses for you? Or if you're not going to pay someone, if you're going to do it yourself, just think about how much time is it going to take for you to sit there and create course at a time. 100 courses. You got to come up with your own information. Granted, ChatGPT is a very, very good tool to use. But if you're going to sit there, you got to know what to ask ChatGPT. You got to know what to ask it. You got to come up with the modules, the lessons, the plans, the tests, and then you got to go into ChatGPT and you got to ask that yourself. And then ChatGPT, granted, will create that software with that information for you. Then you copy and paste. But just, again, what questions you going to ask? How long is it going to take you for you to copy and paste? I mean, it's time is money. I mean, time is money. That's just all there is to it. Time is money. And see, look, and this is actually you can edit this too. So let me show you guys how that's done. Let me go back to over here. It's the Unschooler Guides. Actually, that was the wrong one. Oh, that was actually the actually that wasn't the wrong one. That's exactly what I want to cover with you guys in just a second. But as you can see, this is I can create a new course here in my school settings. Now if you go to school settings again, you can change all this, upload your logos and your payments. Now if you want to connect with Stripe, I've already connected. That's why it's giving you a red button, because I'm already connected with Stripe. But if you're not, this is not going to be red. It's going to let you connect. If you want to do your own custom domain on this, see up here, it says AI courses at unschooler.me. If you don't want that, that's fine by me. If you got your own domain, get your own domain in here and generate your own. Generate your own. It helps you with the display, see login only, invite only, however you want to go about this, guys. Here, login only. So I mean, it's like you can do however you want to do this thing. And let me see. Remember we changed this. See what it did on my website to see if it changed it. See, it was free before, right? All you have to do is join. All right. See, it says free. All right. Let me just. Hopefully, website don't crash no more. But let me show you guys this real quick before we move forward with that. I wanted to show you guys the actual Unschooler the guides. Okay, so you go to Unschooler, the main page, come down here, create your own school guides. So again, it has detailed how to course creation, course editing, how to sell your course, embedding videos, and all these different details. And you can even sign up as an affiliate and sell this thing yourself if you want to sell this thing yourself to other people. It teaches you how many courses you've created with this. See, these are all the different courses that I've created so far. But let me see over here what it did. Yep, see, there you go. It changed it to login. So, and you can change all this stuff if you want to. Let me just go back to, because I didn't want it to be login only. So I'm just going to go like this. Edit and publish. Oh man, where is that thing at? You can actually copy the course if you want to copy the course. All right, look at this thing, right? Am I right or what? I mean, this right here is what's called a very, very good. And see that this is the details of the course that's created that you can edit as well. You can edit the lessons, which we did, publish and sell. And what I'm going to do is, though, I want it to go to the main area where I would be able to edit my courses. All right, so embed button right there, display. See, that's what it was. So alright, so we're not going to do it login only. We're going to do this available to everyone to see, but they're not going to be able to see anything because it's locked. You have to buy it to get in. See, there you go. There's the course right there. Get the course. Here's all the details about the course, and you can't actually get in here because it's locked. It's locked. It's locked. All right. So, yeah, in a nutshell, like I said, man, this this right here is about the best thing I've seen since apple pie. I have never seen a course creation software that was linked with ChatGPT or AI generated software, AI generated courseware, with video creation, test creation, knowledge base creation. And I mean, this thing has so much detail that I was actually chatting with the course creators was it last week, I think. I had an issue where I couldn't upload a video, and they told me how to do it. Anyways, we got that resolved. But I was telling them that this thing has so much potential that you guys haven't realized it themselves. And she goes, well, what was it? What is it that he had that we didn't know it had? I said, well, like I said, first of all, you can create all these different schools within your school that you haven't even advertised to anyone. You can create presentations. See, now I got 3 schools in here. You can create presentations with this software. You can create pitch decks. You can create, and these are some of the different courses that I've created using this software as well. You can see, look at all these different. They created. I didn't do this, guys. The software did 30 different modules with lessons within them, and all I did was I got in there, and I did exactly what I was showing you guys that I did. I edited everything, and I published it. That's all I did. It did take me about a day or so. That's what I don't like about it. Like I said, I don't like about it that it still takes me about a day of editing what he had created. But on hindsight, I'm only doing the easy work by going into each lesson and editing lesson at a time. I'm doing the easy work. The hard work has already been done. and the hard work was to create the software, to create the course itself. So I'm gonna leave you guys here for now. Remember, hit the link button down below in the description of this video if you guys want to get a special discount. But this is a dream come true for people that run courses and want to create easy, simple courses for people to take. So I'm going to end the video right now, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. Peace out. I'm going to see you guys next time. For comments, likes, shares, please go ahead and do that right there below. Y'all got questions, go ahead and put in the comments, or send me a private email. Yeah, you know what I mean? I'm here to help you guys out. Check you out. Peace.